Alright, time to work on the essay that's due in half an hour.
Are you tired of this happening to you?
There's got to be a better way.
Introducing the Holo-Typewriter. Just flip the switch and you've got a fully functional typewriter with a holographic display. Advanced sci-fi holographic technology gives you a holographic display full of absolutely useless information. Not to mention you can use it to type like a normal typewriter without any ink or paper.
This is amazing. What else can it do?
Absolutely nothing. But wait, there's more. Call right now and get your second Holo-Typewriter absolutely free. Don't delay, buy today.